What's going on, guys? Your boy Mike Lowry. How you doing? We're gonna go over some long terms that I'm looking at for next year for 2026. So one of the ones that stands out to me is Netflix. Right? They just did their split, so they are down to now $90 a share. Um, if you look at the overall trend, right, we're coming back down to it. It would be nice to get this, another bounce here. Um, this would definitely be a key support that we're looking for to get that bounce off of. Right now, we kind of see this little descending triangle pattern, or like this. This is what it looks like, right? But it could also, um, no, I guess they all break to the downside. I really don't like triangles. But yeah, so that's what I see from Netflix. So I am expecting it to go a little bit lower, which would be nice to get that $80 range. And then looking at it, we're already 29%, 30% from all time highs. So down here, we give us a 39% return, right? So that's always, you want to look at your risk to reward, obviously, and see from that's really it on Netflix. You just want to make sure this would probably be another ad at 72. So you just scale into the leaps. I could show you their financials right here as well. So their total revenue year over year growth, you can see they're consistently profitable, bringing in revenue. Their profit year over year is also going up. Right, Netflix we know is a profitable company and isn't going anywhere. The quarter three of 25, they had a little bit less profit than quarter four of 24. If we go annual here, annually we're that's what matters is the annual, right? So 33 billion to 38 billion from 2023 to 2024, 14 billion to 17.8, almost 18 billion gross profit. And then operating income is definitely huge, right? So 6.9 to 10.2, even 7 to 10, looking at $3 billion of operating income. So Netflix is definitely a profitable company, and that is, one of the reasons why I would go long. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving y'all what I'm looking at and what I'm thinking about doing with my money. Hood is another great one that I am looking forward to investing in myself. I'm already in shares. I've been in shares since I think $70. Yeah, about $70. So now we're gonna see what we do here. I would personally like a drop. I would like to get in at a better price, right? So you can see we broke the trend and then retested, came down. So now we'll see where we go from here. Um, yeah, even right here, I think we're still 25% discount, right? And 40%. So even now is a good time to start really adding into it and just holding, right? Just buy now, start averaging in, hold it. We filled that. So $189 would be crazy discount for Hood. It would be incredible. If you look at their financials, the reason why, Hood is financial services platform which engages in the provision of retail brokerage and offers trading in the US. Obviously, everyone knows what Hood is. Everyone trades in Robinhood for the most part. Especially if you're new, it's the easiest platform to get in and get your options activated and start trading on. So that's huge, right? Statements, we're going to go over annual again. So if you look at their annual statements, their operating income, they were negative, right? They were losing money. So in 2021, they lost 3.6 billion, and then they lost 942 million and then 500 million in 2023. In 2024, they just hit 1 billion in profit. So they went in 1 year from negative 500 million to positive 1 billion. That growth is crazy. And the trailing 12 months is what TTM stands for. So that trailing 12 months growth is 2 billion. All right. So now we went from that's income and revenue. 2023 went 1.8 billion to 2.98, so an extra billion, and then 4.2 billion. I think Hood has so much potential long term. So that's what I'm waiting for to see. I wonder if they do like the different chart for it or whatever. Meta as well. You can see that we have annual growth. They're here. Show you. So I'm surprised. Oh, there you go. I'm like, where's this? Where's this at? All right, annual growth, 164.5 billion on Meta. Okay, trailing 12 months, 189 billion. I think Meta has a lot of room to go because obviously AI. I mean, Meta is a huge company, as we know, and it's also at a great discount, I believe. You can see here that this is a good pullback range to go lower. So I hope we do. They also do dividends as well, 0.52. So always, personally, I reinvest dividends, whether I'm buying, for equity positions. And then as far as the leaps, long terms go, what we're kind of looking at is this right here. And if we could come down to this trend line and get that third tap, I think we would go crazy. And that would be an incredible ad, right? If we could get that. So that's it's got some way to go. You gotta be patient, you gotta wait for it. As far as right now, we're looking at 17%. It was at 27%. So if you were in the Discord, I already told you guys to buy into Meta. I'm pretty sure at right here, before it did that huge move. So we've been in Meta, we've been holding Meta as well. And another one that I'm looking at is TTD. So TTD we have shares of as well. And this is one that has a lot of potential. And also we're showing bullish divergence on pretty much all of these, the ones that I showed you guys. So we got bullish divergence right there. These lines, these vertical lines just represent a year, right? 24, 25, 26, 27. So I think that it would be nice to get that pop, see if we could take it up at least, 92, but still incredible. So we'll see there. And their financials. So, a self-servicing cloud-based ad buying platform. It operates through the United States and international geographical segments. The firm offers omni-channel advertising, audience targeting, solutions for identity, application programming interface, APIs. That's all the like AI stuff. So, like, if you set up an API for your business, here, let's ask. That way we know. Yeah, two pieces of software talk to each other. Think of it like a menu at a restaurant. So, yeah, the kitchen. And so this is all like letting your computer talk to itself, like making it work for yourself, right? Um, I'm bad with words sometimes. All right, but overall, look at their statements. Let's go. You already know we like to look at the statements. So, gross profit, total revenue. We're looking at total revenue. We'll start with 2.4 billion in 2024, 2.79 billion for the trailing 12 months, and before that in 23 we're at 1.9 billion. Gross profit, it went from 2023 1.5 billion, 2024 1.9 billion. trailing 12 months, 2 billion. So they are a profitable company that is at a huge discount from what I am seeing, right? And we also have, oh, you know what? Is that a huge discount, right? Yeah. So all right, so that's really, I mean, that's really all I'm going to give you guys for today. That's what I'm looking for. If you guys want more of these plays, feel free to join the Discord. It's free. All I ask is that you like and subscribe my YouTube channel and help grow. As soon as I get monetized, I will start trading live for free, since YouTube will be paying me, right? So as soon as that happens, I can start doing giveaways. We can start having some fun with the YouTube. So all it takes is a sub. If you want to start trading live, seeing things called out live, getting the plays like this live, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button for your boy, and we will make things happen.